Hello, my name is Gregor von Laschewski, and today I'm talking about how to extend Cloud Mesh with a command. To do so, I recommend that you go to the Cloud Mesh website on GitHub. So let's locate it. And in that you will find a link on top that goes to the manual. Just let's activate that link. And here we can find a manual as well as a small introduction to CMD3, which is our shell that we want to extend. And we have an extensive manual, and in the manual we will be focusing on generating an independent package that extends a command to Cloud Mesh. So let us start with setting up our environment. We need to be installing CMD3, but we should not do this just in our normal environment. This is a big no. We want to avoid that we affect your machines, so we conduct everything typically with a virtual env that allows you to be independent from the system setup. So let's figure out where Python is located. Let's figure out which version it is. We recommend version 2.79. We will set up a virtual environment. We need to be specifying the path, as sometimes the path is not properly propagated to the virtual env of Python, and we create an environment in the home directory called capital env. Now we activate the virtual env with the source command, which is indicated by the dot. So we locate the command that's related to the activation of the virtual env, which is stored in user env bin activate. Now you can see an env at the beginning of your shell session. That means we have successfully activated the environment. Now we finally can install our CMD3 command shell. So let's do this. Here in this case I've done this already before, so I have a cached environment, so this goes rather quick. So we are installing it, and as you can see, as this is currently we are running 1.5 as a version. That may be higher when you start it because we constantly improve this command. The command is installed and called cm, so it's in our virtual env, and here we see that the command actually does do exactly what we expect it to do. Next, we would like to inspect the manual and see how we install an YAML file that imports our commands. This is the file that we will be later on modifying. And so now I'm preparing the windows a little bit so that you can see it a little bit better. So as you can see, this is a typical YAML file, and how this works you can find in the manual. There's this template given, and this allows us to import commands directly from imports statements and through packaged installations in Python. Let's generate now such a command. We have a command that nicely can do this. We need to naturally specifying a command name, which we call uebercool, as well as the path where we store it. We store it in our home directory. So we have this command installed in that particular directory. Let's go to that directory. Now we're in this directory, and we need to be naturally installing our command, so we use the normal setup.py install command. Next, we need to be modifying our YAML file, and here we need to be adding now the name of the command. We have cloudmesh underscore uebercool, this is the package name, and in package we have plugins. This will be installed into cloudmesh. Now when we activate cm help, we find, for example, under my commands the uebercool command. As you can see, adding commands is really easy. Now you can go ahead and put into your project improvements to uebercool, create your own commands. I hope I have helped you with this activity. Thank you.